This is installment number 2 of our insights into the 2019 legislative session. We are at the end of week 7. We've got 2 weeks left of the session. 2 weeks from today, we will be hopefully sine dying. With that being said, a lot's happened this week. Probably the most important thing is you're starting to see come into focus, I think, some agreements between the House and Senate that is going to be tied to the budget. As you're talking about the budget, policy always has to be tied to it. Obviously, the House and Senate are going to have different policy priorities. And because of that, as you're talking about overall allocations and what the budget may look like as it comes in for a landing, you have to have some of these discussions relating to policy as well. I think that was very evident yesterday in the Senate Appropriations Committee. 2 main pieces of policy that moved that are priorities of the House. I think number 1 was the Certificate of Need bill. It was amended yesterday in the Senate Appropriations Committee. It goes much closer to the House position. I think that's something that is very telling as we get closer to the House and Senate announcing allocations. I think the other one was one of the main education bills that's moving. One of the House priorities is a priority from last year, the Hope Scholarships, which was created under then Speaker Richard Corcoran. That also was included yesterday in a large education amendment. So as you see some of these policy measures move and start getting positioned to go to the floor, I think that tells us the House and Senate are pretty close with regards to announcing allocations, because again, it's very difficult to separate policy and budget priorities as you're getting ready to go into the budget conference. So with that being said, my guess would be is you would see budget allocations announced over the weekend or possibly on Monday. I think budget conference itself could start as early as next Monday evening or Tuesday. And remember, the budget has to be done by Tuesday of week 9, because per the Constitution, the members have to have the budget on their desk for up to 72 hours before they can vote on it. In other words, it has to be on the members' desk by that Tuesday, where they can vote on it on that Friday. So more to come, but I think that's a really good update to kind of let you know as a lot of these policy measures begin to come in for a landing, as you see 2 of the large House priorities begin to move and get positioned to go to the Senate floor. I think that's a telling sign, and hopefully, more importantly, a very good sign that budget allocations should come out in the next couple of days that would allow budget conference to start next week. So with that being said, hope everyone has a great weekend, and we'll provide you another update next week. Thank you.